Hi, boys and girls, again. How are you doing? All right, all right. Okay, let's do division of decimal. Division of decimals. Okay, we were saying 4.08 divided by 2. That's an example. 4.08 divided by 2. Okay, so ignore the decimal point for a second. So 408 is the number after we ignore the decimal point, divide by 2. So it's 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 goes up here. Remember, you should know this from the division video earlier. So this 0 here goes up because 0 divided by 2 is what? 0. So 0 times 2 is 0. And then we still have 8 over here. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So 4 times 2 is 8. And the remainder is 0. So this is the answer, 204. But we have a decimal point. How many decimal points we have? 2. How many actually location after the decimal point? So you start from the right of the number, you have 2 numbers, 1 and 2. So 1, 2, and then you put the decimal point right here. And that's your answer, 2.04. 4.08 times divided by 2 is 2.04. Okay? Now, let's do another example. Okay, how about 6 point, let's say 2, 4 divided by 2.12. Again, we ignore the both decimal points. Let's say 624 divided by 212. If we do it actual division, it will be 2.943. If you do it regular, I don't want to go through the division because it's a long division. You guys can do it at home, and the answer is 2.943. 2.943. So this one is 2.943. Now, one quick note here. If you take the decimal point out and you divide 624 divided by 212, it will be 2.943, right? Okay, but if you do 6.24 divided by 2.12, it's also 2.943. Which means what? Remember in fractions we had a lesson says these two divisions are equal. 6.24 divided 6.24 fraction divided by 2.12. Remember, this is division or fraction. This number is divided by this number, right? Fraction or division, the same thing, okay? 6.24 divided by 212 is the same as, this is equal to 624 divided by 212. Those two fractions are the same. Those two fractions are the same, and the answer is for both of them 2.943. 2.943. Try it. It's a good exercise for you. Try it. So these equal fractions, if we divide this by this, it will equal 2.943. If you divide this by this, it will equal also 2.943. Okay, I'm hoping you do it on your own paper, not on the calculator. It's a great exercise for you. Okay, now, so let me give you a last note of the decimals. In a multiplication, actually, let's say when you multiply decimals, please write this down. You move the decimal point to the right. Okay? When you multiply decimals, you move the decimal point to the right. Okay? When you divide, move the decimal point, to the left. So, multiply, move to the right. Divide, move to the left. Okay, so let me give you an example. To know exactly what I'm talking about. Let's say if we have 2.55 and we multiply it by 10. We are multiplying. How many locations here? How many zeros? 1 0. So we move this decimal, because we're multiplying, we move it to the right. So the answer is 25.5. If we multiply by 100, we move the decimal point to the right twice. 2 zeros means 2 locations. So here becomes 255 for this one, for 100. Okay, now if we divide 2.55 times 10, if we divide by 10, okay, it will become, take it to the left. So the answer, it will be 0.255. You see the difference? All right.